Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying you have root or admin access and MFA. This prevents lockout as you remove services. Use AusCli or console to list regions and running services so you know scope. Once done, export billing and resource inventories as CSV or JSON to track what you shut down and to reconcile costs. Make sure to note dependencies like IAM roles, S3 buckets, and snapshots before taking irreversible steps. You should shut down compute and database resources next because they incur the biggest costs. Stop or terminate EC2 instances, scale down or delete auto-scaling groups, and safely detach EBS volumes after snapshotting if needed. For RDS, take a final snapshot, verify backups, then delete instances to avoid charges. Once databases and compute are down, remove load balancers, target groups, and update or delete Route 53 rec. You finish by cleaning storage and identity resources to eliminate lingering charges and access. Empty and delete S3 buckets only after checking object locks and lifecycle rules. Then remove IAM users, roles, and custom policies, and delete CloudFormation stacks and CloudTrail logs you no longer need. Once done, confirm zeroed billing and consider closing the account if permanent. If something goes wrong, restore from the last snapshot and re-enable access. That single recovery snapshot can save you from a costly mistake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.